Yeah.
So we had a place in Arndale. It was a new home. Real, but a new home. And we were kind of under the gun when we moved up here. So we had to buy it fast.
Right.
Yeah.
So from Cali or something like that?
So this is the apartment. So this is one of the spaces people will be staying. And then this, wait until you see the property. Okay, so then we have this beautiful, beautiful space. This gorgeous space. Oh my, and then the drive coming in here was just filled with trees. Look at this. I love stuff like that. Okay. Here's the owner.
Hi, how are you?
Husband and Bodie. Come along to everything with me. Then we have this bathroom, which is just, I mean, I am so excited to have the retreat at this space. Hey, Gordon. So this is let's go outside. Hey, baby. Okay.
I'm gonna peek in here while
Yeah. I'm just taking a tour. I saw everything and I loved it all. So are you kidding me? I hope you can hear. Oh, whoops, I don't think I've been having it on volume. So then, you just happen to walk down these steps into this space. So we'll come here. And this is going to be a lot of time outside with the fire. Oh, just, hanging out with the creek and that gorgeous sun. I cannot believe I found this space in Gig Harbor. Look. Oh my God. This is the coolest retreat house I've ever seen in my entire life. And there are 2 spots left, people. Only 2 spots left remain for the February 28th Beauty Detox retreat, where there's going to be, if you've ever come to a retreat, let me just tell you that the food, this retreat is going to be even better than before. There's going to be a lot of healing energy provided to all the food we're going to be eating. So let me show you even more. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is where the yoga studio is. So we would cross this bridge. I'm literally living in a fairy tale land right now with this creek. And I designed this retreat because it was something I wanted to go on. I was like, I want to go on a retreat where it's like a beauty detox retreat where you can walk along the bridge and you can go right over the creek. Look at this. This was like the biggest selling point for me, was these lights. So we have the lights going over the creek. I'm giving you a tour of what the beauty detox retreaters are going to be spoiled with. Secret garden. And then we take this pathway. Hey, Gordon. We take this pathway. There he is. This is so awesome.
Yeah, so by the time you guys come here, I'll have cut the path in again to the back.
I love it.
I don't know if my wife told you, but those are kind of the hiking trails back there.
Yeah, she said that.
Even if you don't want to go for a hike, it's dead quiet back there. It's a nice place to just
Murder scenes.
Right. Not quite.
No, that's where my scary movie mind goes. Yeah, she said something about the trails. So this is, good Lord. Okay, so then we have the yoga studio space. This is perfect for intimate retreats, which is exactly what we're having. So then we have the yoga studio space. You guys don't even know the feeling I'm experiencing on this tour. So imagine doing yoga right there. We'll have mats for everybody. This is the yoga studio. So it's completely separate of both houses. Yes, there's 2 houses. So then we come back outside, and by the time we come here, there's going to be trails paved for our nature walks, where I already have so many things up my sleeve that I'm very excited to share. And then we have this. Oh my God, it's so cute. Let me show you again. this hammock. Now again, it is November. It is freezing cold, hence my winter wardrobe. I haven't even shown you the main house. So I'll show you the main house on part 2 of this video, okay? So here's part 1. Make sure you watch this one. And then I'll show you the rest of it.